Christmas is right around the corner, and if you're looking for an easy treat, follow along to make your own Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer brownies. You need pretzels, candy eyes, red hot candies, and a brownie mix. Make your brownies per the directions. Once they have had a chance to cool, cut the brownies into rectangles. I use melted candy to stick on the reindeer face. Your kids will be very happy with this iconic snack. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.